Hi everyone, so this is a video intended for teachers. The resource that I chose for this video is called kids.nationalgeographic.com. My goal was to find a good science website or a science resource for classes, and I really like this one. There, as you see up here, there's a lot of different things. They have quizzes. Those are kind of more academic type quizzes, and then they have ones that are kind of more just for fun, like the personality quizzes. The funny fill-in, that's like Mad Libs kind of, which I think could be fun for kids, and especially that could be like a reading assignment for younger kids. And then they have a lot of kinds of different videos about animals, about weird facts, and lots of different things for kids and teachers to explore there. And they have several different, not just science, they have several different sections here. You see history and the states, and I'm going to click here on space, and you see here they have all the planets, different things. I think that this is a really good resource for teachers because I feel like you could use some of these lessons, some of these as a supplement to your lessons, but you could also just kind of let the kids explore on this website by themselves a little bit to see what they can find, see what they can learn. So that's why I thought it was a kind of a cool website. It's very easy to use, has a lot of interesting facts and things for kids to explore. So yeah, I thought this would be a nice science resource for teachers, and yeah, so go check it out if you are looking for that. Thank you.